Hello you guys, it's me Elizabeth. I'm back with another video. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I was at my dad's and my dad doesn't really like me filming over there, but my mom doesn't really care. So I'm going to be mostly posting I might post an Odyssey Aquarium video. That's coming up really soon. I might post videos with my uncle because he's coming 5 days. And I might post a lot of those videos. This glue bottle I'm not using. This glue bottle I'm using. So we're going to be making some really soft clicky slime. And I forgot one ingredient, and I'm just going to grab that real quick. Okay, I got the ingredient. So this, you can make it 2 ways. You can do it my way, or the not as clicky or not as soft. And did I say jiggly slime? I'm making clicky slime if I said jiggly, but it's not as cool. So you can just do. Oh, that was cool. You can do super glue and borax, or you can do my method, which you have to watch the video to find out. And the shout out of the day goes to April Warwick and Ryan Warwick. They are my godparents, and they're very nice. So let's just get on with the video and the ingredients. So the ingredients you'll need is glue, activator, I'm using borax and water, lotion, foamy soap, and baby oil. You'll need a little bit of this. And you also need a bowl and a spoon or something to mix with whatever you're going to mix with. So you're going to take your glue. I prefer Elmer's, but if you want to use different glue, it's okay because it just has to have PVA in it. And as long as it has PVA, you're fine. So, yeah. I'm trying to get all the glue out, but that's good enough. Okay. The next ingredient is some lotion. And also, you'll need food coloring or paint, which is optional. But I don't know if I'm going to add that. Add your lotion. I'm just using this body lotion that I got for $1. With a whole entire kit of lotions for $1. So that's what I use for my slime, and I don't use the Good Bath & Body Works because that's probably expensive. But yeah, so you're just gonna mix that up. And this lotion tints your slime a little. I don't know, can you see? You can't see it, but it's a really light pink. And it smells so good. Okay, that smells so good. Okay, so the next ingredient, I'm going to hurry you guys because I'm just going to hurry with this video because I'm a little tired and I kind of want to go sleep. But I had to do this video. I had to. Commitment. Because I just realized, I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't posted in forever. I need to post a video. I was like, but I'm so tired. I was like, you know what, I'm just going to do it anyways. So I'm adding 2 drops of yellow food coloring. Gonna mix that up with the glue and the lotion. Oh, this is such a pretty color. Doesn't smell the best now because we added food coloring, but this is the mixture, how it looks. So I'm just gonna mix it a little more. The next thing I'm gonna do is add the tiniest bit of foamy soap. So mine is liquid, but it is still foamy. Because there's none in there, so I don't know if I do that. Then I hope. Don't add too much foamy soap, because that's not good. It should look like a liquid still. It should look a little fluffy. It shouldn't look a little fluffy. Not should. If I even said that. I don't even know anymore. But it shouldn't look fluffy. It should look like the glue mixture that you had before. So you're going to take your baby oil and you're going to put some in the cap and add a tiny bit in. Not a lot. And I probably just spilled that all over the place. Baby oil, you guys, I hate baby oil, but I know it goes good for slime. So I use it anyways. But, ugh, it's so oily. Okay, I'm going to wipe my hands off with that. And I'm going to wipe them off on my shirt. Because I hate baby oil. Seriously, I hate it. The smell, the glossiness, Like, I want to wear gloves whenever I touch baby oil. But that's okay. Next, I'm going to add some more lotion, but this is optional again. You don't have to add lotion. Well, you don't have to add lotion to this slime. I forgot to say that. But you can always go back and add more lotion if you want to. It doesn't matter. If you want to, like, you can really add anything more, but I wouldn't, in my opinion, don't add more baby oil because you don't want it to be oily. And you're just going to take your activator after you have all your ingredients well combined so that, like, it's a liquid. It should look like this, a liquid. You're going to just, you guys, I'm actually going to show you the mixture, how it's supposed to look. Vlog part 3. I'm just kidding. That's how it's supposed to look. I have you on a charger right now. And I have you set up. I don't have a tripod yet. I'm so upset because it's coming in the mail, but it's supposed to come August 20th. And I'm so excited for my tripod to come. I'm pretty sure I'm getting a tripod. That's when I said it was coming. And that's what my mom told me. Pretty sure I was getting a tripod. Or phone. I don't know which one it was. But you're going to take your borax. I'm honestly confused if I got foam beads or tripod. If not, I'll just order a tripod offline. So, you just have to add a little squirt, and your slime will already be formed. Like, not all the way formed, but coming together. So, I would definitely also recommend adding little squirts. Not like, don't pour. I would recommend getting these at Walmart, which are 70 cents. And making your borax mixture and just putting them into there if you ever make slime, because it's the most easiest to do it. And I don't recommend pouring because if you pour too much, then it's not good and your slime will rip. And I hate having rippy slimes. Like, it literally is like this. This is when you stretch it and it does that. And it just, like, it breaks. Like, I'll grab a slime real quick and I'll break it in half. Like, this is kind of a rippy slime, and it's really hard. I don't know what happened to it. My friend said she fixed it, but this is what it will do if you over-borax it. And she added so much borax, and it was my favorite slime, but it's okay. I think she added borax or something into it and made it really hard. So, oh my gosh. Sorry, you guys, you just saw my pants that I washed. Just gonna add a little bit more borax. You guys, comment down below video ideas also. I don't know if I said that. Comment down below video ideas because I am running out. And I don't know what that was. I'm running out of video ideas and I need them because I want to keep my YouTube channel going. And, like, because I need video. Oh, my God. Like, I'm hungry for them. I'm really hungry for them. But this slime looks ready, but it's so not ready. I just touched it, and it got all over me. Okay, maybe I just... I don't know what's happening. But, like, I feel like this is good. This is good or not. I'll tell you, spell it out. You guys, I learned a rap, and it's a really good rap, and I'm going to just do it for the sake of my what I can do. So, yeah, no girls in this life under the world not tonight. But I want to prove it to this young boy last fight. He got his fist ready, I got my pen ready. But I read something heavy, a bust of his brand new Chevy, man. Excuse me, man. Take the girls on sweet talk and then beat down like cha-cha. Girls, please, listen to me, please. I know you've been hurt. Yeah. You guys should look up that song. It's called Hurt by Chase. I cannot even remember his last name, but it starts with a G. And he was from American's Got Talent, and I feel like he's the next Ed Sheeran. And I'm sorry for the background noise. My mom's talking on the phone right now, and I hope she's okay because she's sounding really weird right now. It's probably because her voice is going away. Because her voice has been going away a lot lately. But anyways, after you take your slime out of the bowl and you add your borax, and you take it out of the bowl, just knead it, and you can add more borax if you want to. Like, it depends. Like, this is drippy slime, but it's not. I just did that on purpose because it's actually stretchy. Because I had lotion. You can make slime without lotion, and it'll be stretchy. But some people, like me, sometimes I just get a little clumsy, and I might add a little bit too much borax, and the lotion is in it, so it just fixes it. So I think I'm done with that. I'm just going to put that in there with my fishbowl beads. Oh, gosh. Okay. So I'm going to move my ingredients right now so that I can do ASMR for you guys, because I need to move my ingredients or else I'll get it on papers. And did you guys see that? I'll have to edit it. I'll have to edit it. When I edit it, I'll have to see what happens. Okay, ASMR now. This video is already like 12 minutes long. Sorry about the papers. I'm gonna move over here then. And my glitter fidget spinner. Yes. Okay. Slime. It's really clicky. But there's borax right there. That's why it made that noise. But anyways, it's really nice. It's really stretchy too. So, that's awesome. And yeah, so that's the slime. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And again, the shout out of the day goes to April Warwick and Ryan Warwick, my godmother and my god. Yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below some video ideas. I am really running out of them. I got a few video ideas, so thank you for those. Butter slime will be coming, and also the floor is lava. I don't know if I can do that in the mall, but I might be able to do that somewhere else. Maybe, I don't know when, but soon I will get those videos going up for you guys. And also, I'm working on getting a tripod, but I don't know if I can until I get my camera, because I'm on my phone right now. So I'm working on getting a camera and a tripod so that I can edit videos better. So yeah. Anyways, please like, subscribe, and share this video with friends and family. And I hope to see you guys next time on my channel. And please comment down below questions, because I'm going to be doing a Q&A for my sorry, I had the hiccup right there. I had hiccups, no, but comment down below for my Q&A. I'm having a Q&A for my next video. Q&A for my next video. Oh my gosh, I keep on having the hiccups. But I'm having that for my next video, so comment down below questions and I will answer them. So, yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.